Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll learn about the popliteal artery. The popliteal artery is the main basis of the genicular anastomosis, which is the anastomosis around the knee joint. So we will discuss the popliteal artery, and the popliteal artery is basically found in the popliteal fossa, which then divides into two branches. Then the first one is anterior tibial and the second one is posterior tibial. So starting from it, the popliteal artery is basically the continuation of the femoral artery. The femoral artery basically crosses the adductor hiatus, which is the opening in the adductor magnus muscle, and then it becomes the popliteal artery. So this one is the adductor hiatus. This one we have the femoral artery. It converts into the popliteal artery after crossing the adductor hiatus muscle, right? Then we have its branches. It first has the 5 main genicular branches. The first one is, now it's to remember its branches is not a like Einstein theory or anything else. It's just a simple branches names. Let me just clear it. You can see here, this one is taking it as the medial side and it as the lateral side. So this one is above, so it means it is superior. It is on the medial side, superior medial. It is on the lateral side, superior lateral. It is on the inferior side, inferior medial. And here we have the inferior lateral. One more branch we have is the middle, right, which just goes into like something like this, right? So here we can write it is the middle. Like I cannot draw this, it's something goes like this. Here we have the back, here we have the back, and here we have the front. So it just goes into something like this, the joint, and supplies the joint. So here is the middle. So we got our 5 branches. The first one is superior medial, inferior medial, superior lateral, and the inferior lateral, and the middle. So these 5 are the branches of the popliteal artery. These all are the genicular branches. So in superior medial genicular branch, inferior medial genicular branch, and all about this. Then we have our another, it divides into 2 branches. The first one is the anterior tibial and the second one is the posterior tibial. So let me just write here. Here we have our anterior tibial, and the posterior one is drawn as the dotted lines. Posterior tibial, right? The posterior tibial gives basically a branch to the calcaneus. So here we have our calcaneus. This one is our calcaneus and it supplies this. And the branch here which is supplying to the calcaneus is called the common peroneal artery. The common peroneal nerve is basically a branch of the sciatic nerve, while the common peroneal artery is a branch of the posterior tibial artery, right? Then we have left with our one branch, that is this one. This is the sural artery, which is the branch of the popliteal artery, right? Sural nerve is the branch. Don't mix the concept of the nerve and the arteries. The sural nerve is a branch of the tibial nerve. The sural communicating nerve is a branch of the common peroneal nerve, and the sural artery is a branch of the popliteal artery. Clear? Then here we have completed all the branches of the popliteal artery. Now it divides into 2. The first one is the anterior tibial and the posterior tibial. The anterior tibial just goes into the foot and converts into the dorsalis pedis artery. So here we have our dorsalis pedis. The posterior divides into 2, the medial and the plantar, which forms the arcs in the foot. Medial plantar. So guys, here we have done with the popliteal artery. The popliteal artery sometimes also gives a branch to the back of the thigh muscle, or called the hamstring muscles, and adductor magnus, which joins with the fourth perforating artery. So let me just write it here. Sometimes give branch to hamstring and adductor magnus muscle, which end or terminate after anastomosing with fourth perforating artery. The fourth perforating arteries are basically a branch of the profunda femoris artery, which is basically a branch of the femoral artery. So guys, here we are done with the popliteal artery. Hope you like my work. If you really like my work, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and also share my channel. Thank you.